Hi y'all, so today is part 1 of creating this romper that I purchased on Etsy. Make sure that you measure the test square. It should measure whatever it says. The small square here is 1 inch, the larger square is 4 centimeters. If it's not correct, your sizing will be off. Your final garment sizing will be incorrect. Right here, what you see is me laying it out. The patterns are usually labeled in some way to let you know how to lay them out. Once I lay them all out, I'm going to cut 2 sides. I decided to cut the right side and the bottom. You have to do this with all the ones that need to be attached. And once you do this, you can start gluing them together. I used glue stick and had to reinforce it with some tape. Could also skip all of this because there is also a print shop version, so you actually can go to like FedEx or UPS if they have the large format printers, and it will print the whole thing out for you, and it'll all be in one piece, so you don't have to actually do the part that I'm doing right here, because it'll like I said, it'll all be one piece, and you won't have to connect anything, and you can just cut it out. And here I'm just gluing it together with my little cheap glue stick. This is honestly the part that I hate the most about PDF patterns. I usually typically go to the print shop because I don't have time for this, but didn't have access to it this time. Please make sure to like this video and comment if you want to see part 2. I'm going to compile all the parts together and actually add them, upload them all in one on my YouTube channel as well once I'm finished with everything. So now I'm just cutting out the whole pieces. I'm cutting out the smallest size, and it does have a little legend. It's color coded that tells you which size to cut out based on the line color. Just repost this video and favorite it so that it shows up in other people's FYP. Stay tuned for part 2. Thanks, guys.